Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the C sharp major arpeggio. That's right, I'm going to show you all the correct letter names and fingering, how to play it 1 and 2 octaves, and how to put hands together. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you also have any comments or suggestions, please leave those in the comment section below. All right, let's get started with the right hand. So C sharp major arpeggio is a little bit of a different one, as you may or may not know. When we play scales and arpeggios, we try to avoid using the thumb or pinky on black keys whenever possible. Since this arpeggio is going to start on C sharp, we're going to be starting on not our thumb, but our second finger, and we're going to use our thumb to play the white key that is in this arpeggio, which is E sharp. That's right, this is E sharp, not F. If you have any questions about why we're calling this E sharp instead of F, I will leave a link to the video that I have that explains that as well. So here are the letter names for the C sharp major arpeggio. They are as such: C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, C sharp, G sharp, E sharp, C sharp. Everything sharped. Here are the finger numbers. We use our 2, then we're going to tuck our thumb under to play the E sharp. Our 2 is going to also play G sharp, and we're going to use our 4th finger on the high C sharp. The way back down, we use the same fingering. 4, 2, 1, 2. Now, if we want to make this 2 octaves, all we're going to do is when we get to this C sharp here, we're just going to tuck our thumb under. It's a big tuck. Try not to pop out your elbow. Just put our thumb on the E sharp, and we continue on up. I'll take you through that a little smoother, like this. This is the fingering for 2 octaves. 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Back down. 4, 2, 1. Cross your 4. Big cross, but don't pop out the elbow. 4, 2, 1, 2. Here it is one more time. 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Back down. 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2. Okay, a little complicated. That one might take some practice, but be patient with yourself and you will get it. All right, let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand uses the same letter name, so I'm just going to take you through the fingering. Left hand, we're going to start on our second finger, and our thumb will play the white keys. It looks like this. 2, 1, cross your 4, end on 2. Back down. 2, 4, tuck your thumb under to E sharp. 2. One more time. 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. When we make that 2 octaves, what we're going to do, when we get here, we're simply just going to go on up. We've got our thumb ready to go on the E sharp, so it's pretty easy to turn that into 2 octaves. Here's the fingering for 2 octaves. 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. All right, let's put this together. Kind of a cool thing happens when we put this together because both hands are just using 2s and 4s. Thumbs are going to play the white key E sharp in both hands. It gets a little easier as long as you get the 4s and 2s in the right spot. So let's take a look at that. So hands together, the letter names are C sharp, both thumbs on E sharp. Right hand's going to put 2 on G sharp, left hand's crossing 4. Then we've got 2 in the left, 4 in the right, both thumbs on E sharp, 2 and 4, C sharp. Back down, C sharp, G sharp, E sharp, C sharp, G sharp, E sharp, C sharp. One more time. C sharp. This one might take a little extra practice just because the fingering is a little unusual, but I have faith that if you put in the time and effort, you'll be able to master it in no time at all. So thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it all the way through to the end of the video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video out with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment below with some suggestions or just say hi. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.